Today we are going to install RAM on my new Asus Vivobook. This laptop comes with a very good features, like you can upgrade it quickly, very easily. So opening that is not a big deal, or upgrading RAM or hard disk is very easy for in it. So we're just going to install it and we'll show it. So just need to sign off. To open the RAM, you just need to open this back cover, and with these screws we have 10 screws here. We're going to open it. This is a RAM we have got from Amazon.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, Sai.
For a small RAM we got too much papers. That's how big the bag is. And this is the RAM. What is needed? After unscrewing all this, you just need to open it all the way. So that's how it looks like. Hard disk already installed by me. So it's going to install the RAM here and we'll be good to go. You just need to put it in there. We have installed the RAM in the second slot. Now we're just going to fix it and turn it on. We just have fixed it and it's turned on. So we'll just check the RAM.
Yeah, hi.
As you can see, it's showing 12 GB. Initially it comes with 4 GB. We have installed 8 GB more. So yeah, it's done there.
Cute.
Thank you there.